Okay. Hello, my name is Alan. I've been on this program for 6 months now. When I started, I was somewhat skeptical when I went to the first dinner, but the dinner they served was very normal looking to me, with chicken and vegetables and very tasty, and I thought, well, I could eat that way all the time. I actually had eaten that way sometimes, but I'd also lapsed into a lot of pastas and easy stuff to eat. I didn't appreciate at the time how pervasive sugars were in a lot of things, particularly dairy. That really shocked me, that there was as much sugar in dairy as there was. Even though I didn't eat a lot of dairy, I did eat cheese, so that was very enlightening to me. I decided to sign up for the program because it sounded like it would work for me. I saw the meal planning, and that looked pretty easy, and actually all in all it was easier than I expected. What I was able to eat was good, it was satisfying. One big factor was that I've been diabetic for many years now, and had got to the point where I was taking increasing number of medications for it, including finally getting up to insulin the last year, which I really didn't want to take. And I wanted to get off of that stuff, and I also had spent just about as much money on medications in the last year out of pocket as the cost of this program was. So I said, well, I just spend my money for the cost of the program, which would be more natural than just continuing on the upward cycle of medications that I was taking. I was able to drop myself off the insulin very quickly, most of the other injectables very quickly, cut back a lot of my levels of medication. My A1C went down dramatically, almost to a normal level. I dropped about 25 pounds of weight, most of it really quickly within the first few weeks. I was really pleased about that. Initial side benefit was my wife was not on the program per se, but because she was doing the cooking, she was eating basically the same, and she also lost 25 or 30 pounds, so it was really fantastic for her also. I recommend this program highly. I think, if you're in the upward spiral of medications, I think it's very beneficial to take a look at it and see how reasonably easy it is to change your eating lifestyle. Stick with the program. It's been very easy, and I think it's well worth the investment, and well worth the investment in yourself for your future.
Alan, let me ask you a question. You have not gotten totally down to the goal that you set for yourself, but do you think you have enough information and educated yourself well enough that you'll be able to continue on and eventually reach that goal?
Yeah, absolutely. I've been to this level of my weight a couple times before in my life, but that was many years ago, and I think that just continuing the healthier eating habits, I've backslid a little bit from traveling and some other factors in the last few weeks, but I've still managed to maintain my weight and not have it go back up, so I've been very pleased about that, and I think that I can continue on with this program, just do a little more focusing on the proper eating habits and continue down towards my ultimate goal.
All right, well, thank you, Alan.
Thank you.